Tool theft is on the rise and you can't earn a living without your kit. I'm going to show you a product that can help keep your valuable tools safer than ever. This is the VanVault Mobi. It keeps you mobile and your tools secure. Take your tools from your van onto the job with you using the lockable docking station. It's certified by Secured by Design, the UK's official police approved standard. Its heavy-duty steel body has been designed to withstand the most determined attack. Security features such as the tamper-proof internal hinge, reinforced lid and the flush front closing lid keep thieves out. And then there's the Vault Lock locking system. Housed deep within the body of the box and shielded by a hardened steel plate, it gives advanced protection from drilling, cutting and picking. And to make your working day easier, the VanVault Mobi has been designed so there's plenty of room to fit your kit inside. Thieves will always want to get into your van, but the VanVault Mobi means proper protection, keeping your tools more secure than ever. Let's stop making it easy for thieves. VanVault, stored and secured.